Lie down in such a way that all your body parts are comfortable. If you need to move any part so that you will become more comfortable, please do it now. You may like to have your head tilted a bit or straight, whichever you like, your favorite position of the head. Just lie down like that. Open your palms upwards. So it's like you are giving off your spiritual energy to the universe and you are ready to get energy from the universe. You are in communication with the cosmos, the infinite cosmos, the stars and the galaxies above your body can easily radiate energy to you. So you are letting go everything you have outside through your palms. Lie down in that position. Just stay in that. You don't require anything. You have no desire. You don't need anything to feel comfortable. You are comfortable. Now feel your toes of both the legs. You can wiggle them a bit to feel them. So they are there. You are connected to them. Most of the time you are ignoring them, but now you can feel them. Then you can come down to the bottom of the foot. You can feel the bottom of the foot. Then you can feel the ankle. Feel the ankle. Your toes and ankle and bottom of the foot are feeling heavy. Then just above your ankles, the lower part of the calves, you can feel them getting heavy. So your foot and lower calf are feeling very heavy. Then both of your calves are getting heavy. You can feel the weight of your lower legs. Then both of your knees are getting heavy. So both of your legs from the knees are feeling heavy, very comfortable, but very heavy and totally relaxed. Then above the knees, lower thighs are getting heavy. Then upper thighs are heavy. Now your crotch and bottom of your butts are feeling very heavy. Then lower abdomen is feeling heavy. So now all your body parts from the lower abdomen to the toes, they are like very heavy, like 1,000 tons of weight, and you can feel them impacting the floor. The coldness of the floor you can sense through your skin, and you can feel the weight of your body parts on the extremities where your skin is touching the ground. You can feel the weight passing through your skin to the ground. Then your stomach is feeling heavy. The back part of stomach is feeling heavy. Lower back is heavy. Then upper back is heavy. Your stomach and chest are very heavy. It's like 500 tons of weight. Then your chest is heavy. Then your shoulders are heavy. Then the heaviness spreads to your neck. You are feeling that your neck is very heavy and you can't move it. It's so heavy. Then the back of your head is so heavy. Then your fingers on both the sides are totally relaxed, and you can feel the weight of your fingers. Your palms are heavy, palms facing upwards. All your stress is going away from your palms, and you are talking to the universe through your palms. You are ready to receive and ready to give up everything you have through your palms. You are very receptive to the energy coming from the universe. Then your lower arms, wrists are feeling heavy. Your lower arms are very heavy. Your elbows are touching the ground with great weight. Then your upper arms are heavy. You can feel the weight of your upper arms. Then again your shoulder is heavy. Then your neck is already very heavy. Then the back of your head is so heavy. Both of your cheeks are so heavy. You can feel the weight of your cheeks. You can feel the weight of your chin, of your lips. They are all feeling the weight. You can feel the weight of your cheeks, chin, lips, and your nose is also weighing down on you. And you can see totally comfortable eyes. They are very, very pleasantly positioned in your head. They are totally relaxed. Then your forehead is relaxed. Then your top of the head is relaxed. And your entire head is feeling very heavy, and it is weighing down on the floor. At this point, you are feeling totally heaviness of your body, and you may be weighing, maybe like a ship. You are extremely heavy, and you can feel the weight passing through your skin. And in this position, stay for a minute. Till I tell you to come out of this, stay in this position. Stay in this position till I tell you to come back. Enjoy the bliss till I ask you to come out. I will count 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Now you can relax and open your eyes. Lie down in such a way that all your body parts are comfortable.